Welcome to JC Premier's audio-visual presentation. If you're watching this video, that means you have some questions with our organic spirulina. So let's get right to it. Spirulina is known as the highest chlorophyll content, which is the food of the future. It is a blue-green algae which thrives in warm, alkaline, fresh bodies of water, which is one of the reasons why it is known for its alkalizing capabilities. It is essential to our body, especially to people who are not fond of eating vegetables daily. Our JC Premier Spirulina benefits. It helps promote antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects in the body. It also helps promote healthy digestive system. It also helps reduce obesity. It helps fight malnutrition. It also helps support kidney. It helps protect the liver. It also helps maintain good dental health. It helps improve reproductive function. It also helps support the immune system. It also helps offer protection against digestive disorders. And it also helps maintain healthy vision. And it also helps support respiratory system. It also helps improve a quality of sleep. And it also helps against allergies. And it also helps reduce the risk of having anemia. Our JC Premier Organic Spirulina is just simply amazing. If you want more intensive explanation of our organic spirulina, we would like to invite you to our office to attend our product orientation. Again, I would like to thank everyone for watching our audio-visual presentation of our organic spirulina details. God bless and welcome to the good life.